So where to find your research articles or topics? So there are many ways, many websites you can find it. The most trusted way, or I can say the updated places are Web of Science, Scopus, Google Scholar, okay, ResearchGate. Okay, you can also find engineering related papers in IEEE Explore. Though Mendeley is used for referencing purpose or storage of paper purpose, but there are also search option. And how to download papers? Okay, the valid way to have a papers on a specific topic is to subscribe the journal. If it is not free, then subscribe it and have it. And also you can request the authors to have the paper. Why you are requesting him, just explain in the email, or ResearchGate there is a option to send message. Just for example, my roommate, he did a research. Okay, one person from Kashmir University is now requesting him to send him the article, as this article is not free. So this way you can collect a research article. But there are some website what we can say Sci-Hub and Library Genesis. I am not going to explore this part as a part of this course, because this is a controversial website and there is a legal case against this Sci-Hub on Russia, maybe on France. So if I show this on this lecture, maybe the video will be blocked. So I will recommend you to see websites how to download paper using Sci-Hub or Library Genesis. But I will show you the other ways how to download paper. So let's go one by one. Web of Science, I provided the link. Just if I go to the website, Web of Science, you will see how to find the topic. So this is the website, Web of Science. It looks like this. Web of Science, if you write webofscience.com, you will find. And here, what you are going to search, topic or title or authors. Just for example, topic. If you want to put any topic, just for example, I said human face detection. That's one topic I am searching. Human face detection is a much more popular research topic in the field of computer science, because based on human face detection, maybe we can access someone to a system or to a place. So I search on here, human face detection. How much resources we found? Can you see how much? 8,465. If I search this same string on Scopus, let me see how much paper they will show us. Human face detection. Just keep in mind what I'm doing. It's not working. Okay, let me reload it. Maybe human face detection. Let me search it again. They said no, the source title. I said the source title, that is the problem. I should say anywhere article, title, abstract, keyword. Again, you see how much resources is here. Please participate with me. In Web of Science, we found 8,000. Here I found 19,000. Am I right? And if I search the same human face detection, same string. Okay. I found how much? Can you tell me how much? 4 million, 5,200. Oh, subhanallah, more than 4 million. Am I right? Are you with me? Can you hear me? Please respond.
Yes, sir.
So if I search on
the number
research,
is
very high. Yeah, then search on ResearchGate. I'm showing you how to search then okay, how to download it? It is the separate part. Am I right? So here always in the ResearchGate you cannot find the direct number, but just for example, if you count it in one page, there are 10 papers. Here is the how much paper, how much pages are there? You see, 4,820 to the 10 papers, then more than 4,000. Am I right? More than 40,000. Sorry, more than 40,000. So what to do if there are so much paper and you have to read 19,000 paper? Is it possible for people? Is it possible?
No.
No, it is not possible. So the thing is that I did two mistakes. Okay, let me clear why in the Web of Science it has less literature, because Web of Science only show the papers from the journals or the publishers which is indexed here. So this is showing this literature. Also Scopus, it is showing the papers which is indexed in Scopus. What is Scopus? What is Web of Science? We will discuss later. But right now, keep in mind, we can search our literatures here. Am I right? For now, we will keep in mind that this is the places where we can search our paper. Just for example. So these are the places where we can find our related literatures. And after, just for example, this paper is good for me. Okay, efficient human phase reduction based on CNN with SVM classifier. Then I will click on it. Then just see, is this paper is available or not? This is not available. Am I right? Please participate with me. So what to do? There is an option. Can you see it?
Request full text.
Yeah, you can request it by saying different message, or you can email him directly. Am I right? Okay, if I send this message, he will receive, and he will, if he is ready to share, I will receive this. Just see, if I show you, I have many requests I received. Just for example, I also request people to send paper. I also receive requests from others. Just for example, research you received. I requested 20 papers. Research you. Research you received maybe. Okay, they requested me. Just for example, he is from India. Maybe he is from again maybe Russia or other. So they requested me. I shared the paper. And I also requested people to share paper. Then they shared with me. Sometimes they forget. I have to again resend the request. Just for example, they shared the paper. Many people shared the paper. This is the one way. Another way, sometimes you will get the paper directly downloadable. Let me show you some papers which is directly downloadable. This one, see this paper directly. Can you see? I can download it directly. Already it is started. The download has started. Okay, this is the paper. I found it directly. Am I right? So the paper which is open access, you can find it directly. But the paper which is not open access, you have to subscribe it. You have to request the author, or you have to search on ResearchGate whether it is available or not. So this is one way. I am not showing the Web of Science. Let me just tell about the Sci-Hub, but I will not show directly how to download. You can explore. Okay, it's very almost everything is found here. If you give the reference or DOI number, they will find it. Okay, I'm just giving you the tips. Okay, I will not explain much more about this. Okay, as it is a controversial website. So this is one thing. So you can find your research paper topic or article from these websites, and there are also some good or recognized publishers like Springer, HTBR, Wiley, IndoScience, Oxford, IOP. They are recognized publishers, and if you go to their website and search on it, you will also have the good amount of papers. Just for example, I am going on Springer. Someone spell it like Springer, someone Springer. So you can pronounce it anyway, no problem. So I am going to Springer and click on their website, and I will always find the options. Maybe in general, they don't, there must be any options for searching, maybe for a specific journal. Let me check. So here, the technique is that you have to select, just for example, computer science, and then which topic you are going to cover, and then go there and find the journal and papers. This way, you can also search your topic or research article. And these are the open access journal. That means for open access, author need to pay to the publisher, and the paper is free for the reader. Okay. Why people choose for open access? Because it is more readable. People will read it, cite it, and recommend it. So the research will be much more usable to the people. So sometimes you don't find okay, paid paper, then you can go for the open access. There are many. Springer has open access and also okay, subscription-based papers. Both are there. Also other publishers like say Taylor and Francis, Cambridge University Press. They are good. I took this figure from this source.